and welcome back, my fellow hackers. And if you're new here, hi, glad you're stopping by. I was in the middle of doing some cleaning before tomorrow, which is Easter, and I realized that I didn't have anything to color eggs with. So I thought I'd try this hack and thought I'd bring you along with me. You hear my dogs outside, they're just out there playing around, so please don't mind them. Anyway, so I have 3 different kinds of Kool-Aid and a juice, just as a curiosity. So if you're ready to see if this works or not, let's go. Alright, so as I was sitting here and I thought I was filming, I wasn't. I went ahead and I put the eggs in. This here is the fruit punch. This one is the strawberry. This one is the orange drink. And this one is the orange juice. Now, as I was asking before my camera shut off, which one do you think will not work? Do you think they all work? Do you think they all will work? Or what do you think? Leave me a comment down there and let me know what you think is going to work or don't work. I'm kind of skeptical about the orange juice, but since I've been sitting here chatting with you and the camera turned off, it should be long enough. So let's check this one here. Let's see how this goes. Oh, look at that. Look at that. That looks nice. I think I'm going to stick another one in there. Let's go for this one. Alright. Very nice. That's the strawberry one. I don't know how well you can tell. So, let's put another one in there. Alright, so this is the orange drink. Orange Kool-Aid. And I wonder if I leave it in longer, if it'll keep its tint, if it will get darker. So I'm going to stick that one back. Now the one that I've been kind of anxious about, the orange juice. What do you guys think? I don't know. And I was right. Nothing. Nothing at all. I had a feeling that it would be nothing. But if you're in a pinch tonight, you can use Kool-Aid. So, I hope everybody has a happy, safe holiday and happy Easter. Till next time. See you later.